The night everything fell apart started deceptively normal. I was reviewing quarterly projections when Vanessa stormed in, heels clicking, dangling her car keys. "Nathan, we need to talk about my car," she demanded. Her BMW was barely 2 years old, but she wanted a Tesla like her friend Jessica. I tried reasoning. "We just invested $500,000 in the Austin office." "We don't need this," I said. She slammed her hand on the table. "I use that car every day. How am I supposed to convince clients I'm cutting edge?" For 3 years, I'd bent myself to please her, my wardrobe, my friends, my home. Her words cut deeper than ever. "You're a temporary solution. I could replace you in 24 hours. Something inside me finally snapped. I packed my things, calmly told her I was leaving, and stepped into the warm Texas night, free for the first time in years. Vanessa was too good at spinning narratives, too connected. I needed to change the game. I called the last person she'd expect, her mother, Eleanor Reed. Eleanor had never approved of me, but family reputation mattered more. At a discreet coffee shop, I slid a folder across the table, financial records, messages, and videos revealing Vanessa's true behavior. Shocked, Eleanor agreed to speak with Vanessa and her husband. Within hours, Vanessa's inflammatory posts vanished, replaced by a calm statement acknowledging her own mistakes. Her lawyer then sent new, modest demands, eventually dropping everything beyond the prenup. She claimed a new job in Los Angeles, but I soon realized she was following Michael Harrington, a married executive she'd been involved with. With Vanessa focused elsewhere, I finally felt free. That evening, Megan revealed something that shook me. Messages from 2 years before showing Vanessa had been strategizing about me, mocking my life, and seeing other men all along. I confronted Megan about the messages she'd sent me, and she admitted she had feelings for me, but that wasn't why she showed me Vanessa's manipulations. I realized I'd spent years under Vanessa's spell, blind to the truth. Megan had always been there, honest and loyal. As we leaned toward each other, we agreed to give us a chance. Vanessa tried to sabotage my life, vandalizing my car, defaming Megan, and even attempting to reopen the divorce settlement. But Megan and I fought back. We documented everything on a website exposing her manipulations, which protected others and ended her influence. Life slowly rebuilt itself. My business thrived, Megan's photography career recovered, and we moved in together happy and authentic. Vanessa's reckless choices and eventual accident closed her chapter permanently. Through all the chaos, I realized that leaving her allowed me to find real love with Megan, the person who had been there all along. One honest conversation changed everything, giving me the courage to finally live my life.